Good morning, Vlogmas, and seriously, this time I've actually picked up the camera in the morning. It is 9 o'clock, not even, 8:56 in the morning, because I didn't go for my run this morning. I'm gonna go to work, and today the run is put off, and I've got my coffee right there, and we are gonna open our Advent. So, let's open it. We had well, we didn't have, my husband gave us a surprise. And what he did was he actually made us an Advent calendar. I would call it an Advent box, but it is very creative because every present is actually thought out. We started opening it yesterday. And yeah, I think it's pretty cool.
And I got this yesterday.
That was the first day. And mine was an Essie nail polish, which I've already put on my nails. And yeah, so I thought it was pretty thoughtful and thought out. And it's pretty cool. So let me show you what it looks like.
What's mine?
So it's like a box like this, and then you open it, and inside is the stuff, the presents. So let's check it out. They are Advent boxes, and then we just open it up. And today is day what?
2.
Day 2. We opened one yesterday, and this is what it's like inside. So we've kind of decorated it all inside with our names on it.
Yeah.
And some comic on his. And inside is just like that. And it's got the numbers up here, 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna open number 2 today.
I'm gonna open mine.
Okay, let's see what yours is.
It is Hard by Chips.
We got some chips in that.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. Number 2. A nail polish.
You got you another nail polish?
Yeah. He did. I have this color already.
You do?
But that's okay. It's always the thought that counts. But yeah, that was day 2. And we're just gonna close it all up again. And
look at this.
so that, I think, is very thought out and thoughtful, because every single day is actually like something that you would use, something that is actually meant to be for you. Yeah. And you actually spend time on trying to find every single present. Anyways, so that's what I have so far this morning. And we'll talk to you later. Hey guys, welcome back to vlog, and I haven't vlogged all day because I have been at work, but I will show you a unboxing. I just picked up my Zara stuff, so I will show you that. It's just the one pair of shoes, and I will do that right now. Just give me 1 second. So this is gonna be like literally a 5-minute vlog, I think, because I haven't been on all day. So let's do the unboxing. Okay, so let's open this guy up. Apparently, I'm not so good at this, so let's do this. One side. Okay. There they are. New boots. These are exciting. Hopefully they fit. I don't know if I should have gotten the shorter ones, but I have like dogs, so I don't think I would go for the shorter ones. And I have these other type of boots that are a bit shorter, but I wanted to try these guys out. So I'm not going to try them on camera because I'm in my pajamas right now and I'll look pretty silly doing it, but I will show you guys in the next vlog, hopefully. Or maybe I might just show it to you in this one, who knows.